Garnett Lions, Molynes United.
Yeah, so Garnett Lions, the team, come away with 3 valuable points. The first game in the season wasn't that good. Tell us about this victory.
It's a good start. Again, we want to continue this one because we don't want to go one and then go down again. I really have to give thanks for the youthful exuberance that is in the team that came in. They did well, one even scored today, and the more that they continue to grow, the more they get better.
Yeah, Nicholas Nelson said that you told him to play a little bit low, don't really push hard, but he played hard and scored today, him and his brother. Tell us about
I really wanted to take him off, but we unfortunately used up all our changes. That's his nature, he's a very wonderful player, super talented, so that's his nature. So no matter how you try to force him, I even tried to bring him to the wing for him to pull on it, he was reluctant, but that's a good thing about him, determination.
Yeah, the team looked very organized this match, Portmore played Dundee in another thrilling game, 3-2. Didn't see Molynes beating them, but you guys came out and surprised the crowd today. Tell us about that compactness that the team is playing with.
Also, well, Coach Eli and I had this bunch in training for about 3 weeks now. We were gelling this team. So when you see them playing today like this, we had them, although they weren't registered, some of them, we had them gelling because we know that we had to start the journey a little bit earlier because it's a season, a pre-season.
Okay, thank you very much for the interview.
All right.